anyone traveling between Sree and Palakkad along the Old Kutheran route will surely notice this beautiful temple. This is the famous Kuthiranmala Ayyappa temple, a divine landmark on the old highway road near the Kuthiran tunnel. The temple's simple yet traditional style reflects the charm of Kerala's sacred places. Inside, the calm ambience and the presence of Lord Ayyappa bring peace and devotion. Set amidst hills and greenery, the Kuthiranmala temple has long been a spiritual shelter for travellers. Kuthiranmala Ayyappa temple, a divine pause on the path between Sree and Palakkad. If you pass this way, do stop by. This is a temple you must visit.